Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Fitness Reality Squat Rack. Made of sturdy tubular steel, this power rack from Fitness Reality weighs just 133.5 pounds, 60.7 kilograms. Yet, despite its lightweight design, the cage's bars have a weight capacity of 800 pounds, 363.6 kilograms and can be adjusted to 19 height levels, allowing for a customizable workout. The cage is also wide enough to easily perform lateral movements and includes an optional lat pull-down bar and weight bench for an additional cost. However, as it's on the lighter side, some reviewers mention that the cage moves when performing pull-ups. Don't put your safety in the hands of a squat rack that hasn't been tested. Our squat rack was ASTM tested at 2,000 pounds in order to get an official weight capacity of 800 pounds. Other companies provide hollow tubes, not us. Have peace of mind knowing that our safety arms are solid steel rods, designed to handle heavy weight. Wide grip, narrow grip, hammer grip pull-ups are all available with this power cage. Can be reversed to lower the height of the cage. This is important if you have a lower ceiling. Our second best power rack is Sunny Health and Fitness Power Rack. The Sunny Health and Fitness Power Zone Squat Stand Rack Power Cage gets high ratings from customers for how easy it is to assemble. In addition to easy to follow instructions, the cage includes safety spotter arms, Olympic plate and bar storage, and space for up to 7 feet of Olympic bars. It also features posts for 6 resistance bands and an angled pull-up bar, allowing for a variety of pull-ups, such as narrow or wide grip pull-ups. While it has a max weight capacity of 805 pounds, some reviewers note that the equipment gets wobbly with frequent use, so be sure to double check that the bolts are screwed in tightly. Constructed with premium quality steel construction, this power rack supports up to an incredible 805 pounds max weight capacity barbell. The pull-up bar on the power rack is adjustable and reversible with 8 different positions and angled for both wide and narrow grip pull-ups. You will always have a spotter in the Power Zone power rack with safety lock latches for ease of mind and safety assurance when squatting with heavier weights. Third choice in our list is Cap Barbell FM8000F Deluxe Power Rack. This Cap Barbell Power Rack stand is for the guy who's looking for a basic piece of quality equipment that won't break the bank. Steel construction comprised of 12 and 14 gauge steel thickness, overhead workout station is made with high-grade tubular steel. 3-step powder coat finish for exceptional durability, gussets for extra reinforced support, capped frame ends to prevent oxidation. 2 plate posts, 3 band posts on each side to add resistance, 2 J-cup bar catches, 2 safety catches, pull-up bar and bar holders with ABS sleeves to prevent scratches when removing/storing an Olympic bar. Use this power rack to perform squats, deadlifts, pull-ups and more. Incorporate an adjustable bench for added versatility. Number 4 in our side is Marcy MWM 7041 Workout Station. This home gym cage system is a great option if you're looking for a full body workout at a relatively affordable price. In addition to an open cage design, the system includes tricep dip handles, a pull-up bar, and a high and low pulley system for lat pull-downs and rows. Plus, the cage can save you space, as it's equipped with a dumbbell rack and storage for kettlebells and weight plates. This home gym system boasts a highly durable steel frame reinforced with a powder coating, in its ability to withstand intense use. It generates a 1:1 ratio of resistance from weights loaded on the sliding post. This is equipped with a high and low pulley along with a lat and triceps bar. Use the higher pulley for exercises such as ab crunch, lat push down and pull down, meanwhile perform hip abduction, squat and row using the lower pulley. Last in our top 5 best power rack list is Fitness Reality X-Class Power Cage. This power cage from Fitness Reality is as sturdy and durable as those you'd find in a gym. The cage includes a multi-grip pull-up bar, adjustable dip handles, and an optional Olympic lot pull-down and low-row cable attachment for targeting your upper back and arm muscles. Plus, with a weight capacity of 1,500 pounds (680.3 kilograms), the cage is great for serious weightlifters. It also has over 600 favorable reviews online and comes with an extensive warranty, including a 10-year frame and 3-year parts coverage. One thing to note is that the upright bar dimensions are a bit unusual, which may make finding compatible accessories challenging. Two 11.5-inch safety bars with combined weight capacity of 1,500 pounds and 25 adjustable height levels. Pair of J-hooks included. Safety bars are compatible with 7 feet Olympic bars. Safety bars for racking weight bars with no wobbling. For details, let's watch more.
Introducing Fitness Reality X-Class Light Commercial High Capacity Olympic Power Cage. With Fitness Reality X-Class Light Commercial Olympic Lat Pull-Down and Low-Row Cable Attachment. Made with a durable powder-coated heavy-duty 2-inch by 3-inch tubular steel frame construction, this system is one of the strongest power cages available that handles 1,500 pounds of real weight capacity. The X-Class Olympic Power Cage is designed and engineered for safety and ease of use to support and maximize your strength training results. It comes with two 11.5 inches long safety bars with rubber strip covers to prevent scratches, denting, and any loud racking noises. Each pair can handle a weight capacity of 1,500 pounds and is adjustable to 25 height levels, giving you a total range of your workout positions. The safety bars are compatible with typical 7 feet Olympic bars. The two 35.5-inch dual-mounted safety bars also allow you to adjust your dip exercise positions to the height you need. You can do dip exercises with 20-inch long, high-density, rubber grip dip handles that adjust to 13 different positions and support a user weight capacity of up to 600 pounds. You can also do chin-ups or pull-ups with the two height-adjustable multi-grip chin-up pull-up bars. They also have a user weight capacity of 600 pounds. The U-shaped stability bar provides solid-state performance with no wobbling when racking weight bars or doing chin-ups. The unit also comes with pre-drilled holes for bolting the cage to the floor if needed. The Fitness Reality X-Class Lat Pull-Down and Low-Row Cable Attachment is 81 inches in height and can handle 360 pounds of weight plates. The attachment post is chrome-plated to prevent scratches and dents. It comes with a high lat pull-down pulley system and a low-row pulley system, and bars with high-density foam grips. You can also store up to 360 pounds of weight plates on the storage post. Included is one standard weight plate bar and two 1-inch spring clip collars. And 2-inch Olympic plates can be used with Olympic adapter sleeves. Over 30 training positions can be performed using the lat pull-down and low-row attachment. So train hard and get the ultimate results with Fitness Reality X-Class Light Commercial High Capacity Olympic Power Cage and Fitness Reality X-Class Light Commercial Olympic Lat Pull-Down and Low-Row Cable Attachment.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.